So here is the package ordered from ElectronicSpices.com. So here is the shipping details. So it contains 150B high quality stainless steel wire cutter and stripper and 8 more items. Mostly contains the different colored wire sheath, covering sheath, red, black, green, blue, yellow, transparent, like that. So let me check the integrity of the package. Here it's labeled please make a video before unboxing the package, and intact, and same label is present on this side as well. You see, intact, and the box is little bit compressed, and it is, see, this is little bit compressed but mostly intact, not that damaged. Okay, so let me check all the sides. So this side is, the plaster is intact, ElectronicSpices.com label, yeah, is okay. This side is also okay. See, it is compressed here a bit, yeah, and I think, yeah, we came to the front side, and let me show on the sides. Here plaster is intact here, and yeah, here also intact, not cut, and I think it is good here too. Yeah, let me open this. Okay, I think we can open it from here, from this side, only one side. Yeah, this side only, we have to open it from this side, cut from this bottom and lift it up, then we have to cut this too as well. So first I am doing this bottom one. So in this knife, I think it's here, it's in this slot, I have to cut. Yep, done. I think this should be coming out like this, but no, it isn't. So I think it's from here only, but this is completely, so I will tear it anyway, cutting this one and this one too. Let's see how it comes now. We are trying to pull this. Yeah, it came one side, it's correct. I thought, yeah, you see, this is the bill. So coming to the, here is the details of the order. Coming to the items, 1 2 3 high quality stainless steel wire cutter and stripper, and green color multi-purpose self-locking nylon green cable type pack, 100 pieces. Yeah, that should be the what do you call that, this 100 pieces, or zip ties, we call it zip ties, nylon zip ties. So 2.5, I ordered 2.5 mm into 15 mm, so that's the second one, 2.5 into 150 mm. So first one is the wire stripper 150B. Yeah, it is this, I can feel there is wire stripper inside, and cut this and open. Yeah, it is opened only, it is just okay. This is this 150B, I don't think so. This doesn't feel like it's 150B. I do have an old wire cutter one which is 150B, and I am going to show that right now. See, this is 150B. You see, this is 150B. There is label here which is 150B. It is slightly, and this is of good quality, you know. That doesn't feel like this doesn't feel like it's 150B. See, the spring is also not that good. You have to open it up again. You see, I'm closing it, and you see it only opens it up to here. You have to push it, so definitely this is not up to the mark. I don't know what's the, if it even actually cuts properly. It's not okay for me. Fine, let's keep this aside. Let's keep the zip ties aside as well. So first two items are we got them. Third one is 5mm green color heat shrink tube. So these are what I told, green color heat shrink tube. So it's this green, and the billing is 3 items are done, and fourth one is black color heat shrink tube, blue. Fifth one is blue color heat shrink tube. So we do have the black color heat shrink tube here, and we'll get this side by side, and definitely there is blue color here. Yeah, there is. So coming to the heat shrink tubes, we do have 7 heat shrink tube colors, and let's see, green color, yes we do have, and black color, yeah we do have black color, and blue color, yeah we do have the blue color, red color, yes red color is available, white color, yeah but this is labeled. It is everything, every other heat shrink tubes are also labeled, but black one is bit more labeled. You see the blue one is not that labeled, I think. Okay, red color, white color, red, white, and yellow transparent. Okay, fine, I got all the items. So that's it for the video. Thanks. Only I'm disappointed with this wire stripper, and probably if the quality of these is not up to the mark, they are not okay, but I got all the items packaged, and so that's it for the video. Thanks.